Welcome to another new video. In this video, I will tell you 5 ways to earn money from ChatGPT, following which you can earn $100 per day. So let's start the video. The first way is script writing. Go to Fiverr, and here you will see that many people are selling their services here. You can see their prices. People are charging here from $50 to $300. You can see that this guy is charging up to $150 for a 400-word script. If you go to the premium, you will see that he is charging up to $500. And in ChatGPT, you can easily prepare such a big script in a few seconds. So let's know how you will write the script. First of all, open ChatGPT, and here you have to tell ChatGPT that you can write the script for my YouTube video. And in a few seconds, ChatGPT will write a complete video script for you. You can ask questions to ChatGPT in different ways. So in this way, you can earn money on Fiverr. You can also write the script for your own video. And you can make videos on YouTube. For example, this is my script. I will paste it into Pictory. And after clicking on Proceed, your video will be ready in a few minutes. You can also add voiceover and background music, and your final video will look something like this. Welcome to our tutorial on 10 ways to run faster. Running fast requires a combination of proper training, technique, and mental preparation. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks to help you improve your speed and reach your running goals. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced runner, these tips. So 30% discount is going on this software right now. I will give you the link and code in the description of this video, so you can check it out from there. Second way to earn money from ChatGPT is through translation. Go to Fiverr again. Here you will see how much money people are charging. People are taking $10 to $15 to translate 300 to 400 words. And by using ChatGPT, you can translate any language in a few seconds. Let's know how. Go to ChatGPT, paste some English text here, and press Shift + on your keyboard. And write the language in which you want to convert the text. Your text will be translated as soon as you enter. So in this way, you can translate any number of words. Third, you can write blog posts for people in ChatGPT. Again, go to Fiverr and search for blog posts. So you can see here that there are so many people who are selling this service. People are charging $30 to $400 to write a blog post. So, like them, you can also sell your service on Fiverr. To write a blog post, you have to go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write a blog post. In this way, ChatGPT will prepare a blog post for you in a few seconds. Similarly, with the help of ChatGPT, you can also write a headline, an introduction, and an outline. So, moving on to your fourth way to make money with ChatGPT, you can write product descriptions with ChatGPT. Go back to Fiverr and you will see that people are earning money even by writing product descriptions. You also know how many products are there in an e-commerce market these days. You can start working with small-level products. By using ChatGPT, you can easily write descriptions for any product. For example, if I want to write a description for a mobile cover, I can easily do it in ChatGPT. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you the complete product description. The fifth way is that you can easily write your own ebook with the help of ChatGPT, and you can earn money by selling the ebook. As you can see here, I asked ChatGPT, can you write an ebook for me? So we talked, and GPT said yes, I can write. After that, I asked ChatGPT to write a complete ebook on financial freedom, and ChatGPT gave me a chapter-wise outline of the complete ebook. Now I again asked ChatGPT to describe each outline, and over ChatGPT described every outline comfortably. So guys, in this way you can use ChatGPT to make money online. I hope you liked the video. If yes, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.